Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play horror games at home. First, let's set the stage for an unforgettable experience. Dim your lights, or better yet, play in complete darkness to truly immerse yourself. Grab your best headphones. The intricate sound design and sudden jump scares are half the fun. Make sure to silence your phone and minimize any background noise for an uninterrupted, terrifying journey. Next, choosing the right game is crucial for a good scare. Pick a horror game that aligns with your comfort level, whether it's psychological horror or creature-filled survival. Before you begin, quickly check your system requirements to ensure a smooth, lag-free experience. Also, prepare some snacks and a drink beforehand. You won't want to pause the terror for a quick trip to the kitchen. To truly maximize the scare factor, consider playing alone. This amplifies the feelings of isolation and vulnerability, making every creak and shadow more terrifying. Ensure you have a comfortable chair. You might be sitting for several hours, and discomfort can break your focus. If the tension becomes too much, don't hesitate to take a short, 5-minute break to compose yourself before diving back into the horror. After your heart-pounding session, it's important to wind down properly. Have a comforting activity ready, like watching a lighthearted show or listening to calming music, to help you transition back to reality. Talking about your experience with friends can also be a great way to process the intense emotions. Always remember that it's just a game, and those terrifying moments are not real.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.